Hello guys, welcome to the HTML crash course for beginners. In this video, we will look at the block quote elements in HTML. My name is Kafui and welcome to my channel Mot.dev. Please subscribe, like and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I release a content on the channel. With that said, let's get started. The block quote element in HTML is used to mark a block of text quoted from another source. It is often used for citing longer quotes or excerpts from another article or referenced content. So, in order to mark a piece of text or a block of text that has been obtained from another source, we put that in the block quote element. So, in order to do that, I'll write the block quote, and you see that I have auto completion, so I'll just press enter, and then in between the opening and closing block quote tag is when we put in the content of what the block quote. So over here I'll just go over and then copy some paragraph elements. So I'll just put a paragraph here and then copy some content over quickly. Then I'll just copy this piece of text here and then put it here. So it's about black holes, and then below that I'll put in a footer here, and then I'll put in the reference, so the source of my block quote. So this is by Steve Hawkins. Just copy this over quickly, and then so when I save, let me remove this angle bracket here. So when I save, we have this formatted nicely for us, this block quote formatted nicely for us, and then we can style it using what? CSS. So this is how we can use block quote, the block quote element, to mark out a piece of text as being obtained from a piece of article or from a reference point. So I'll just go ahead and then put in another example. So I'll go ahead and write block quote, and then in the paragraph I'll just copy this over again, this piece of text, quickly do this quickly, and I'll put it here, then remove this out, then I'll put in the footer, and then the reference or the author, then we just paste this here and save. So you see that this piece of content is what formatted nicely for us because it is in the block quote element. So assuming I just put in let's say I just put it in a section tag, or let's say a normal paragraph tag. When I put this here, you see this is being displayed differently as compared to it being in the block quote element. Then we can use CSS to format this nicely. So let's say you want to put in a piece of content that is from a different source on your website. You can put that in the block quote element and put in the reference point to it or the author of that article to it, and then it will be formatted nicely, and then you can go to your CSS and style it properly. So that's all for this video. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section for discussion. Please subscribe, like and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I release a content on the channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.